Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have this Inateck Bluetooth keyboard, and I have my Microsoft Surface Pro X here. So we're gonna open this up and see how it fits. And so everything's pretty self-explanatory. Here is the Inateck user manual for the keyboard. So it goes through a couple different things. One of the important things I always find is the function and the enter switch, and then the function switch and the shift to basically backlight the keyboard, which is something I'm always looking for. For some reason I always end up using this like at nighttime, and I need a keyboard that has some backlighting to it. So let's take it out of this little case here. So that's pretty cool. I like how it has all this little stuff on here, and it comes with a USB-C, and then you can charge that up as we go. So that's pretty cool. And I'm curious to see, I don't remember seeing anything about this. So you basically have your magnetic connections here at the bottom, and then it will be a nice little cover, and obviously I have a cover to the back of that, but that is the back of your keyboard. Yeah, let's put our little kickstand out on our Surface Pro cover. And so we have a USB-C to plug this in. And it plugs up here. So that's pretty neat. So it's charging. So we'll turn it on, and then we'll turn on our Surface. I always get confused where the buttons are on this. So that is a nice keyboard. It has a good feel to it, so you can definitely type on it. So it's just like mimics a regular full-size keyboard, but smaller for the Surface Pro. And as this starts up, maybe I can lay this flat without too much glare. Let me see, where's it? I guess probably right about there. Let me get a little stand behind here so everybody from there. Okay, so it automatically wants to connect. So if you see that right there, so it's connected and paired already. But in here, in your Bluetooth settings, you can go through and you can add device. If it doesn't initially seed the keyboard, it will be able to find it, and then we can take our on-screen keyboard off. And I'm starting to get all my alerts here, but let's open up a browser window. Alright, so that's your Amazon page, and we'll go into the search Amazon. We'll type so yeah, it's got a good reflex back on the keyboard itself. So I like that. I'll hit enter for search, and that's it connects, and then again it's going to bring up a bunch of books. So very cool. It's got a good feel to it. I like that. Alright, so I'm going to actually put the kickstand out so I can have this a little bit more supported. So you'll still be able to see some stuff on the screen, but I would do another search. The mouse works really well. Backspace. And again, I like how it has that slight backlit, so at nighttime you'll be able to see your keys a lot better without being blinded, so that's another thing. Yeah, I mean, that's got a nice good feel to it. Works out good, nice and springy. You know, I think you can kind of tilt this up a little bit if you wanted to, but yeah, I like that. So with a good travel case and keyboard, yeah, I could probably type on this all day. Very responsive keys. I mean, that's something that I always look for. And the mouse is very responsive. Left and right clicks work out really well. Yeah, I mean, it's perfect. It works great. Anyway, your Inateck keyboard for your Surface Pro series. But yeah, absolutely love it. And again, after it's all charged up, turn it off, and then you have a nice secure cover for your screen, and super portable, and you're good to go. Anyway, that's how it looks on all the edges, just to kind of give you an idea of how nice and smooth that is, form-fitting. But all right, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.